Y'all, the Blackstone makes short work of stir fries. I mean, I'm talking about lickety split. Y'all, this Firecracker chicken stir fry over on the griddle, it's some dang good groceries. I'm gonna show you how I make it. Let's go. That's some good groceries.
All right, to get things started, we're gonna get a red bell pepper. We're gonna slice that up and just get that into a nice, kind of a thick dice. Next, we're gonna start with a yellow onion. It's gonna take the top and the bottom off, and I like to slice vertically from top to bottom and then crossways on that. Makes a nice little dice, very similar to the peppers. Once you got your vegetables cut up, we're gonna start with our chicken. And chicken, I like to do things a little bit differently. I'll lop off the tenderloin, set that aside. Where the chicken kind of tapers down towards the end, I'll cut it right there about where it starts to taper really tall. Then I'll take the thick piece of chicken, and I will butterfly that, and this will make a nice uniform dice chicken all throughout, and so you won't have one big piece and one small piece. After that's a quick marinade for our chicken, a little bit of soy sauce, a little bit of essentials blend, and then some cornstarch, and I'm just going to mix that really well. If it gets really dry, add a little bit more soy sauce if need be. So we're going to set that to the side for about 15 minutes or so. Now onto a pre-warmed griddle, we're going to put our vegetables down with a little bit of avocado oil. We want to season those vegetables with a little bit of essentials blend. Once the onions and peppers got a little bit of caramelization, we're going to get our chicken ready. I'm going to put ample amounts of oil down onto the griddle, and we're technically going to shallow fry this chicken. That cornstarch is going to have a nice exterior of the chicken, and when I put the chicken down onto the griddle, you want to make sure you fan that out so that all the pieces of chicken get a little bit of that griddle. Some of my oil has pulled towards the front of the griddle. This is by design. If your chicken's looking dry, take a little bit of your oil and put right up into your chicken and let that filter down. After about 2 to 3 minutes, we're going to flip our chicken. We want a nice crust. Look at that right there. We're going to flip that over and just continue cooking onto the other side.
All right, so our chicken's looking really good here. We're going to add our vegetables to that mixture and just mix all that up really well. Oh man, this is starting to look really good. Come in with some ginger paste and some garlic paste. We're going to come in with some chunk pineapple just straight from the can. Also reserved a little bit of that liquid. Come in with some sweet chili sauce. Mix that all around until everything just gets warm through. Now it's time to plate this Firecracker chicken. Got a little bit of jasmine rice. I'm going to put that mixture right over that rice. And oh man, let's give it a try. Woo-hoo! Boy, look at them groceries right there. Dang it, boy. One last thing. It needs a little greenery. Just a little bit of greenery. We don't want nobody stopping by unannounced. And let's not have greenery. Little sesame seeds too. There we go, look at that. Woo! We just bougied that up. That's some good looking stuff right there now. Come on. I got a fork. Get a little bit of this chicken. Ooh, I want a pepper. Gotta have that pepper. Piece of pineapple. Pepper, pineapple, pepper. Cheers. That pepper, we got pineapple, got chicken. Get that ginger too. This old Firecracker chicken. Not too hot at all. That sweet chili sauce, it's got that sweetness, enough sweetness, I think it cuts the hot. That was fantastic right here. This is like a 15-minute meal. Guys, give us a try. I guarantee you and yours that you're feeding, I think they'll love it. Hey, I appreciate you stopping by. If you head on over to the Blackstone Network, you'll find other awesome videos just like this. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey. That's some good groceries.